Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to reset network settings in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Resetting your network settings in Windows 11 using the Settings app is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings, or press Windows key +I. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet in the left pane. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. In the More Settings section, click on Network Reset. Click on the Reset Now button, and confirm by clicking Yes when prompted. Your computer will restart automatically within 5 minutes. If it doesn't, you can restart it manually. After the restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, and reconfigure any custom network settings. This process will reset all network adapters, remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, and restore network settings to their default state. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.